What's the biggest problem you are facing right now preparing for design exams? Maybe if you could just know where you stand in your preparation journey and exactly how much is left to be achieved to crack exam this year. क्या ये आपको help करेगा इस साल preparation में? If yes, then I have the exact plan for this. A customized study plan built around your current level of preparation. जैसा level वैसी exercise and plan. और ये कोई paid marketing नहीं है. ये customized plan is for you absolutely free. At Kafil Studio, we have always tried to do something meaningful for design aspirants, and I'm sure by this time you know this quite well. This is not a startup building project. Kafil Studio is a passion project because when I was preparing for design exam, there was no one to guide me. Most coaching classes only wanted enrollments. No one wanted to give clarity. वो पैसे देने के बाद. That's why Kafil Studio was born, to bring that clarity for every student who is dreaming to crack design exam. Now, before I move to the study plan, I want to share a small but very important case study with you. Every year we try something new, some new experiments, some new exercises to help students crack exam. We first try these with our community students in C2D, that is Connect to Design program, that we run every year. This year we introduced Kafil AI inside our C2D program, an AI that generates real exam style questions, exercises, keeps you motivated, and could even give instant feedback on drawing skills. Until now, I think more than 350 to 400 students have already used it. And with every attempt, this AI kept learning, understanding what students struggle with and how they actually think. But with every C2D batch using it, we realized something important. Even though the AI was getting smarter, many students were not using it in the right way. For example, some students did not know how to ask for feedback from AI, how to give right context to AI, and some even started using AI to create answers. And that's not how creativity works. If you're asking AI to generate answers, you will never develop your creative thinking skills. And now this Kafil AI was something that we introduced to our students who are in our closed paid community, with whom we can still get in contact. We can call them and guide them. But what if we release this AI for all the students? Instead of helping students, this might make them dependent on AI. So we kept on asking this question to ourselves: how do we make sure that every aspirant across the country can actually make use of this technology in a right way? That's when we discovered the real problem. Every student has a timetable. Every week you also create a new timetable, isn't it? But there is no direction. What should be done and how much? You don't know that. Everyone knows how many days for the exams are left, but not sure where you truly stand in your preparation. That's where our personalized study plan comes in. We will evaluate your work, understand your current level of preparation, your situation, and create a clear 12-week roadmap designed just for you. This is not a generic study plan. It is personal. It is special because it uses human intervention. That is, our mentors will evaluate your work and our AI engine will help us generate a study plan for you. Now, the study plan includes focus area, daily exercises, weekly targets for both part A and part B, drawing practices, and customized suggestion by our team based on your test result. The plan starts from 26th October, which gives you exactly 8 weeks for NID and 12 weeks for UCEED and SEED. We are making sure that it is designed around the real momentum of last few months before the exam. क्योंकि अब अगर हमने एनर्जी नहीं लगाई तो वैसे भी ये साल तो हमारा गया. Now, earlier this used to take weeks for us to get an idea where a student stand. Then based on that, we used to give some suggestions, some exercises to the student. But ये homogeneous नहीं होता था कभी भी. But now with the use of tech, we can generate this for you within 24 hours. And this is even better because, like I said, this is powered by both human and AI. तो करना क्या होगा आपको इस स्टडी प्लान को जनरेट करने के लिए, उसकी बात करते हैं. To get your personalized plan, you will have to take one simple test. And like I said, you will not have to pay anything for this, but you will have to give some time attempting these questions. तभी हम आपके requirements को अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. The test is divided into two sections. First, part A, which is 30-minute timed test with 10 visual puzzle based on SEED and UCEED exam pattern, or you can give a GAT style question asked in NID if you are preparing for NID only. The second part is part B, which includes creative section and behavior section. Under creative section includes 4 questions that test your observation, your product sketching, your idea generation, and your ability to give feedback on a sample work. And the behavior section will include some open-ended questions on how much time you have for preparation and how you plan your study schedule every day. The part B section is not timed. आप आराम से इस section के question attempt कर सकते हो, but keep in mind you can attempt this only once. This means एक बार आपने test open कर दिया तो you will have to submit चाहे आप time कितना भी ले लो. So make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin. I think in total this test can take not more than 90 minutes for you. Just a small reminder how to upload. To upload your work in part B, please create a Word or a Google Doc file and attach all your drawing, screenshot in that Word or doc file. Every open-ended question should be typed in the doc file. Nothing should be handwritten, keep in mind. For these details, please read the instructions carefully before attempting the test. Once you upload your answers, our team will evaluate them carefully, and within 24 hours, you will receive your personalized 12-week study plan, just like the one you are seeing on the screen right now. Your study plan will arrive directly in your inbox, so don't forget to check your spam folder too. I've already said this before, this is completely free. So please utilize this service to make your preparation more efficient this year. We want to make sure that this study plan should give you more clarity in your preparation, because sometimes the only thing between you and your dream college is the right plan.